Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can find the missing YouTube app on the iPhone 13 series. So let's first go back to your home screen and swipe across the screen to see if you can locate the YouTube app. Sometimes it might be placed within the folder, so just open up some of the folders to see if you can locate it. If not, you can swipe all the way across to the right hand side. And then in the app library, you can try to type in YouTube to see if you can locate it. Now, if it is not in here and you know that you have already installed YouTube on your device because from the App Store, it says that it is available on your device. Now, when this is the case, it is most likely that the app has been restricted. So you can see here, if I tap on the open button, it said that the app has been restricted with the restrictions enabled. So what you can do is go back to the home screen and then open up settings. In settings, go down and tap on screen time. Then tap on content and privacy restrictions. In here, turn off content and privacy restrictions. Now you need to put in the screen time passcode and then swipe up, and that's it. Now you can see the YouTube app has been restored on my home screen, and that is how you can find the missing YouTube app on the iPhone running iOS 15. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.